What's up? It's the Waste 510, back at it again, and today we're going to be making a new rug. We got our fabric and stuff ready, and we're planning on getting at least 3 or 2 frames, 2 or 3 carpets out of this one frame, but if not, I'm planning on making a bigger frame this weekend. So yeah, hopefully I remember to record the process of me building that thing, because I've been slacking on my recording and building, just recording and tufting. But yeah, if you guys are liking these videos, I'll be sure to keep them coming, as long as y'all keep subscribing and liking. But yeah, we out.
When I pull up hot in the AMG with the niggas up top, that your bitch wanna see you, tell your nigga lie, slide to the Airbnb. Know you fucked up when she ran into me. Judge D, beat it by the trust BTs. Hope he don't try me, untold body beside me. Chop a nigga up like a commie, wipe a nigga nose, don't slimy. Fat meat grease, let me fry him. My drip is OD, I ain't dying. Fuck you and the drugs that you trying. All them fake rapper drugs I ain't buying. Tryna whip me a Porsche, yeah, bitch ass off like Crocs. I'm tapped in like the fuss, it ain't no meaning in your actions. I won't ask you, I can't call it.
Alright, now that we have the fabric on there nice and tight, now we can dim the lights, put our design up there, trace it out, and get started. Like I said, I'm trying to get like at least 2 rugs out of this one frame, because the last frame, or the last rug was pretty big. It was the back tracer stitch. I'll put an image right here. Okay, so I'm trying to do, so the idea, really, whoa, is since this is a 43 by 40 frame, I'm trying to have at least one image, like about halfway, so about 16 feet or 16 inches, about 1.75 feet. Okay, I'll say about right here. So
hey pal, you just blowing from stupid town?
4/4 down this way. And the design that we're trying to image it isn't that big, but if it is too big, then we're going to go with design number 2, which is 3 in 1. So that's still a win-win. We just might have to rotate the image to fit it this way. But yeah, I'll get to it and let you guys see it. Alright guys, so we have all of our designs outlined out. So now all we gotta do is get to tufting the outlines out. So I don't think I have all the colors that I need tonight or today. I've been doing this all day. But yeah, I don't think I have all the colors. Like for this OVO owl, I need some gold for the inner black or the inner sides. For these ones, I need some black. I need some light gray. I think I have a gray, but I think it's a dark gray. And then these is like a beige brown. I think I might have some. I think I might actually have some. So we're gonna do as much as we can tonight or today, and get it tufted out. These ones are basically the same size or basically the same design, but one's just slightly smaller. And yeah, we're just gonna do a different color tone on this one, just to see what it's doing. But yeah, catching the flip. Whoa!
What color is it?
You know it's real if they wanna see you doing good. You know it's real if it hurts to see you doing bad. Coming through and burning when you on your last. Never see you stress about no shit that you ain't even have. Searching for advice and you ain't even ask. When you hop up in they whip and they don't act the gas. That's real niggas. That's real niggas right there. OD guts to really show me how to stretch a bag. Before the woods, white grapes, white owls, Before the cookies, we was all perked out, Shout out Lula, ain't no shoes in my house. Ain't no mud tracks, Scooby-Doo clues in my house. Gone Cincinnati, I'm about to slide. Blame it on the drugs, blame it on the vibe. You don't want no smoke, I get you high. Gone Cincinnati, I'm about to slide. Blame it on the drugs, blame it on the vibe. You don't want no smoke, I get you high. Gone Cincinnati, I'm about to slide. I'm about to slide. We the groovy niggas in the back, rolling doobies up, mixing 1800 in Milwaukee in our double cups. You scared to get high with us? You can't fuck with us. You been insecure since your bitch said she fuck with us. I'm the type of nigga put on black soap and shea butter. Still pick up your calls when I'm with her. I play brother. Break bread with a nigga. Straight hustle. Stop flexing with the SpongeBob, blow up fake muscles. How you bragging but a bag ain't what you be having. I'm a silly bunny rabbit that's hopping in cabbage. Ain't no facts of being raps, he's a lying and telling. And all them guns of being raps and your beef be depressing. Make me wanna put you up on suicide watch. All them beefing in your songs, I don't know who you about to pop. I don't know what you about to drop. Money in the room, you can hear a pin drop. Stop. Gone Cincinnati, I'm about to slide. Blame it on the drugs, blame it on the vibe. You don't want no smoke, I get you high. Gone Cincinnati, I'm about to slide. Blame it on the drugs, blame it on the vibe. You don't want no smoke, I get you high. Gone Cincinnati, I'm about to slide. I'm about to slide.
What's up? It's the Waist 510 back at it again with the inside view of the carpet. So this is the back slash the under part of the carpet. And yeah, we finally finished up all of our tufting. Got the lines on here nice and tight. So we're just gonna go ahead and slap our Roberts 3095 carpet adhesive on here and get these lines all nice and tight while we still got daylight to slide it outside and dry. So, I'll catch you guys while we glue. Wow!
I don't even know this girl. I could care less about her.
Well, Candy, why don't you check around Puerto Rico and see if there's a studio we can go drop some beats.
Finally finished with all the gluing while watching Inuyasha in the background. Took us about 35-ish minutes. About 20 minutes to glue all four. So let's go ahead and slide it outside and let's see what it's talking about. Whoa. Get all the dust off the background, off the back first. Shy. Alright, I'm gonna flip it around so the sun can kind of semi-hit it, but yeah, we're done. Yeah. Super sticky, so now let's clean up the workstation and call it a day. Yeah. What's up? It's the Waist 510, back at it again with the finished product. So now, we're gonna cut out all four, I think that's four, yeah, all four of these rugs. This one was kind of a bullshit one. This one I wasn't too sure of, but I'm about to cut it out and see what it's talking about. So, yeah!
I know, sitting here just acting like I don't. Come up, not a fool, yeah. Yeah, I know, but I'm sitting here just acting like I don't. Cause the smarter play the dumbest is my favorite role. Got a light one in the dark one like a centerfold. She got no kids and no nigga hit the pot of gold. Let's see where this go. Say she focus on her business and her feelings though. Why you never with your girl, different schedule walls? That I just giving her more reason just to hit the bro. Fall through. Don't call me, baby, I'ma call you. Heard I make plays, baby, tryna ball too. She don't run them out like my other bitches do. All up on my ear about what other niggas do. I'ma come up, not a fluke. Make you feel rich if I stand next to you. Come on, not a fluke.
I got this purple chillin' in my red car.